I'm Barry, this is Jamie.
And today we're comparing 4 dishes that are incredibly similar, but also incredibly different, but also
Go on.
very delicious.
Of course.
Oh, Jay.
Today, I've come to Camden Market in North London with my geography teacher, and we're going to be exploring all different types of fried chicken that you can get from countries around the world.
Can I just say, the great thing about this market is there's loads of outdoor seating. I thought I'd bring a jacket in case it got cold.
Right, my first dish that I'm going to submit is Taiwanese fried chicken, or as it's more popularly known, G. Okay, for my first pick, I'm going to G, which is a Taiwanese chicken shop. I've also just learned that G means chicken in Taiwanese. So the exact piece of chicken I want you to concentrate on the most is this chicken breast, which is as big as anyone's face. I know this might seem like a novelty because it's like XXL, but this is actually a really well-known dish in Taiwan.
Squashed really thin, but cooked just perfectly so it doesn't dry out.
I've tried to press the guys on what actually goes into the marinade and the spice blend of their chicken, and they refused to tell me. What they said was it's a very special blend that's an absolute secret and no one is ever to know what it is.
I'm not sure. It's not one of those ones that can be bundled in with, it's a bit like Korean fried chicken, or it's a bit like Japanese fried chicken, karagi, or it's a bit like this. That is its own identity. It reminds me of salt and pepper squid. It's that heavy salt and kind of white pepper. It's crispy, it's succulent, it's chicken breast.
So are you saying that I found something that you've never had before?
Unreal and new to me.
I'd hate to have to follow this up.
So far so good. The great thing about international chicken is we now have a journey 15,000 kilometres across the globe to Jamaica.
From where?
Taiwan. You wanted geography teacher, you're going to get it, right? My first choice is to go Jamaican, only jerkin fried chicken. And here it is. This is chicken breast nuggets that have been marinated in jerk seasoning, so fiery, the allspice, the Scotch bonnet, then battered in a ginger beer batter and served with jerk seasoned fries, mango ketchup, lime and coriander mayo, and all of it is jerk gravy. Boom.
I was feeling so confident after my Taiwanese chicken. How is that the same animal?
Forget like beer battered fish and chips. Ginger beer battered chicken. Wow.
It fills your mouth with flavour and then you swallow it and suddenly you get this massive kick of chilli from the Scotch bonnet.
This has been triple dipped in that batter, so it's got almost a chew to it, but then you get the flavour of the allspice and the chilli.
Having fun?
2 winning results down.
And we're only halfway through.
What's next? Israeli fried chicken.
Yeah, that's right. Israeli chicken schnitzel. For my second choice, I'm going to Lulu's for Israeli chicken schnitzel. It's supposed to be super tradish. It's chicken and chips, and if you really want, you can get salad. So we're getting chicken and chips.
Yeah.
Eat it, and then get your little white flag out and concede.
Harissa and honey, I can already see the sesame seeds, the golden colour of strips of chicken. When I heard we were coming to do more fried chicken, I was like, we have done quite a lot of fried chicken recently, and here is yet another brand new thing that blows me away.
I know I'm supposed to be rooting for this one, so I know it's already great, but this is great! I've never had fried chicken that tastes like this before.
So like the Taiwanese one, it is super flat chicken breast that's been battered out. Traditionally veal schnitzel you'd get in Austria or Germany. This, the coating has got these sesame seeds in it, which when they toast gives you almost like that nutty flavour, and the sweet spice of harissa and honey. Yes.
I would not have expected to have fried chicken like this. It's fantastic.
For me, sesame seed is one of those things that defines, like I always think of it as being very much Japanese inspired kind of cuisine, but I always forget about the wonders of tahini and what it does in Middle Eastern food, and that gives this such an incredible coating. It's what I'm going to steal.
Oh, that sounds like victory to me.
Should we go full circle and go back to Southeast Asia?
We've already done that, mate.
Southeast Asia to the Caribbean to the Middle East and onwards a bit more further to Japan. My second choice, obviously, I'm going to go Japanese. We're talking panko breaded chicken served with a katsu curry sauce, tonkatsu sauce, and there's slaw marinated in rice wine vinegar. Thank you very much. Winning choice right there.
That's like loads of good things inside one bun, isn't it? Here goes nothing.
Oh, look how excited Emma's is.
Oh, yes. So this is the thickest piece of chicken we have. It's massive. It's like the full chicken breast going on, and it reminds me of the pork katsu that I had in Japan, where it is just so crispy on the outside and so stuck on the inside. And then the curry sauce, the kind of curry I love. It's not spicy,
no.
It's spiced, it's sweet, it's delicious.
And it's subtle as well, like you really have to look for it, but when you get it, it just fills your mouth with flavour and it's delicious, and that fruitiness that you get from it is just so good. And whichever genius decided to put all of the things that make katsu curry great into a burger has earned my respect. And that, you know, that means something. If you say so.
Okay, in summary,
Yeah.
I'm not going to pick a winner, but I am going to tell you all the things I'm going to steal.
Okay.
Mixing up the liquids in batter, we all know beer batter, but I think the ginger beer batter, triple dipped on that Jamaican only jerk kind of chicken thing with the mango ketchup, is one to remember.
I hate having to agree with Ebbers, but I don't think I can pick a winner out of those four. I reckon, moving forwards, let's look at all the different ways that you can put some of your favourite foods into fried chicken and then into a burger. I'm thinking paella fried chicken. I'm going to be honest with you. Of course you are.
I realised very quickly that something as simple as throwing sesame seeds into a batter when you fry it gives you an amazing flavour. One simple addition, but I also hold up my hand and say, why didn't I know more about that? Why don't I know enough about Middle Eastern food? And I want to go and dig in a bit deeper. Jay, I'm going to do it. I'm going to get off the fence.
No.
All delicious, but only jerk. That combination, and when you spell it out, it's really obvious. You're just subbing out one thing for another and a couple of different flavours, but combined, that is the one that I'm going to remember.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is a first, I think, for Sorted. Ben's decided that he prefers one thing over another.
I'd like to reiterate, they were all delicious in their own way. And actually, who cares what I think? You guys, says which one would you most like to try? Have you tried, or would you want to?
Who knew there were so many different variations of fried chicken?
Mike definitely did.
Yeah, Mike did.
Now, if you're new here, make sure you are subscribed, and of course, ring that bell so you get notified every time we upload a video every Wednesday and every Sunday at 4 PM. That's how it works. We're sorted, and we'll see you later.
Goodbye. Well done, that was attitude. Yeah.
Attitude.
As we mentioned, Sorted is just run by a group of friends, so if you like what we're doing, then there are loads of ways that you can support us and get more involved. Everything you need to know is linked below.
In summary, I'm going to do my usual thing, and I'm going to sit on the fence and not pick a wiener, but what I am going to say, a wiener? I'm not even in the alcohol today.
And there's the end clip.